Hello Test and Tricks friends. In the previous video, we explored the west side of Bangkok, which is Talat Rom Hook, the Tanning Museum. We saw the tanning show, the Snake Mountain Rock Garden, which is in Ratchaburi, my hometown. In this video, we still travel to the west side from Bangkok. We will travel to the famous city called Kanchanaburi, which is famous for its railway, which was built during the Second World War. We start our journey at Mueang Sing Historical Park, which located in Kanchanaburi, Thailand. It is an ancient site that dates back to the 12th century. Once it was a thriving city during the Khmer Empire and serves as a remarkable reminder of the region's rich cultural heritage. The park features the well-preserved ruins of several structures, including a large, intricately designed temple that reflects the classic Angkorian style with beautiful sandstone carving and statues. The site is often compared to Angkor Wat due to its architectural similarity. The historical park sits against the backdrop of the lush landscape and is situated near the Myanmar border, adding to its secluded and peaceful atmosphere. The site offers visitors a chance to explore the remains of ancient shrines, a reservoir, and a variety of artifacts. Mueang Sing is not only a cultural treasure but also an area that provides a serene setting for those looking to connect with Thailand's ancient past away from bustling crowds of other more famous tourist sites. We continue our journey into Kanchanaburi town to hop on the infamous Death Railway or the train over the River Kwai bridge. The train journey over the River Kwai is infamous for its association with the horrific events of World War II, where thousands of Allied prisoners of war, along with local laborers, were forced to build a railway under the brutal conditions by the Japanese Imperial Army.
Just paid the ticket for the ride. For Thai citizen, we pay 12 baht, which is 50 cents. But as a foreigner, Thai people, we understand that you are richer, so we have to charge you more. So-called pay like $4 or 100 baht.
The fun part of the journey is there are vendors who sell snacks and food from one carriage to another. I got the pad thai from the sales lady. It cost me only 50 Australian cents. In my opinion, the fun part of the train journey is I'm looking forward to what the person will offer next in their basket.
Forward to and we are anticipating for what they are going to sell on the train.
This railway connecting Thailand and Burma was intended to support Japan's military efforts, and the most famous section of the railway is the bridge over the River Kwai, located in Kanchanaburi, Thailand. The bridge became known worldwide, especially after the film The Bridge on the River Kwai. The train journey along this track, which still operates today, starts from Thonburi Station in Bangkok, and the destination is Sayok Waterfall in Kanchanaburi, but you can hop on and off at any station. We got on the train from River Kwai Bridge Station and got off at Krasa Cave. At this station, we have 1.5 hours to explore and walk over the railway. This part is the most dangerous part because it was built along the cliff very high above the ground. The Japanese army chose this route because it is the shortest way to cut from Thailand to Myanmar. The same train came back and picked us up to go back to Kanchanaburi, where we will continue our journey to our next stop. We got off the train as the train continued its journey back to Bangkok. One thing that all the tourists have to do is to take a photo of ourselves walking over the bridge. If you come here on weekdays, there will be less tourists, but on weekends, the bridge will be full of tourists. I did not press the record button. I think the best location to take the photos from off the bridge is at the restaurant near the bridge. The restaurant is Good View Restaurant. You can have lunch or dinner here. You can have the good view of the bridge. We also take the video of the trains when it passes over the bridge. You can check the timetable from the station. From the River Kwai Bridge is the Jet War Museum. The name Jet, J-E-A-T-A, is derived from country engaged in the World War II death railway construction from 1942 to 1945. Japan, England, America, Australia, Thailand, and Holland. During World War II, the Japanese used this train for transportation of ammunition to expand the fight into India and Burma. The museum also features collections of wartime memorabilia, weapons, and personal accounts, offering visitors an intimate glimpse into the tragic history. The Jet War Museum is an essential stop for anyone seeking to understand the region's wartime legacy. And as the name suggests, this small museum displays photographs and illustrations narrating the living condition of prisoners of war during that cruel time. Next, we made our way to Kanchanaburi War Cemetery. It is the main prisoner of war cemetery for victims of Japanese imprisonment while building the Burma Railway. The cemetery contains almost 7,000 graves of British, Australian, and Dutch prisoners of war, whom 6,858 have been identified. The cemetery was designed by Colin Sinclair Oakes and is maintained by the Commonwealth War Graves Commission. It contains the remains of prisoners buried beside the south section of the railway from Bangkok to Niki, excepting those who identified as American, whose remains were repatriated. Wat Tham Sua or Tiger Cave Temple is one of the most revered temples in Kanchanaburi. As you approach, the sight of the largest Buddha image in the region will greet you, a golden statue that dominates the landscape and draws visitors from afar. There is a well-organized car park, but still you have to walk up the 159 steps up to the temple to reach the magnificent Buddha image. At the summit, the largest outdoor Buddha image, Prachin Prathanporn, awaits. This imposing statue stands 18 meters tall and 10 meters wide. It is a place of profound reverence where visitors offer their respects and find a moment of peace. The giant rain tree is a single rain tree aged older than 100 years. Features a shady canopy that is measured 52 meters in diameter and 22 meters tall. The tree stands in the middle of a garden lined by walkway. There is a circular walkway around the tree itself. You can take a round and witness the tree's beauty from all sides. Our west side journey is not terminated yet. In the next episode, we will continue southwest to Prachuap Khiri Khan, visit Hua Hin, Samrayot National Park, climb up to the cave, walk in the mangrove forest, cruise along the mouth of the river. You will not want to miss this journey. So please subscribe to our channel, Taste and Trek, by like and share our video. We'll keep you in the track when we post our new video. So come and join us and be a part of Taste and Trek.